Hi, this is Andrew from Email Marketing and OIC. If you don't have online store and your business is not e-commerce, so you do not sell physical products online, I do not recommend using Klaviyo. If you've watched this video and you have some kind of service-based business, or you maybe have some transaction online, but you do not sell physical products online, I do not recommend using Klaviyo. However, if you sell physical products online, I highly recommend you to use only Klaviyo and not any other email marketing platform. Believe me, I'm email marketing consultant and I know how other tool worked. And believe me, trust me, Klaviyo is the most powerful one. It's not cheap, but it's the most powerful for e-commerce. This video, I just want to explain you that you can start using Klaviyo for free, create free account, there's trial, and you can build all of your automations on free account. And when you're ready, you can upgrade it. So just to show you, this is one of my accounts. So as you can see, I have option here to upgrade. And when I'm ready, I mean, I will not use this account now, but as you can see, I can do any kinds of edits, integrations. It has all features. It does not have any hidden features except hosted page, and you don't have support for free accounts. But you can create all flows. You can build all emails. You can build all blocks in each email. So basically, before you start paying, you can invest and build the system. And when it's ready, you can click upgrade and all system will start working. Also, for free, on free accounts, you're not able to send campaigns. But you can send, I believe, flows. Flow will still work. Not on a free accounts, you have some limits, and limits are, let me see. For free account, you have monthly plan limit is 500. You can send 500 emails per month. So I would highly recommend to create new account, create new free account, start playing with the Klaviyo, check my videos, how to create different flows, see the power of Klaviyo, and then upgrade. And also, when you're building the system, building all flows, build out all flows. It takes time, but when are you done, then you upgrade. And by the way, if you want to support my YouTube channel, you can click emailmarketingyc.com, go to my website and go to tools. Please subscribe to Klaviyo via my affiliation link. I'm affiliate for Klaviyo. Also, I'll leave the link under this video, and also you don't have to, but I will benefit from this if you do. If you have any additional questions, please let me know. Will be more than glad to answer them. It was Andrew from Email Marketing OIC. Thank you. Bye.